kayo tuloy. Ay!
Naglinis na sila.
Ito po ang ating main sanctuary. Ito po ay may 1,700 seating capacity. At ito po ay pinupuno ng ating mga churchgoers every Sunday. And pinupuno po ito ng the quality of the sound. Ayan, sa mga naka-experience na po mag-service dito, you can attest to this. Talaga pong pinaglaanan natin ang ating sound system. Bakit po? Kasi po, ang ginagamit po nating sound system ay tinatawag na L-acoustics. Like I've been saying po kanina, talaga po, the beginning of the church was so humble. It started off with this 20 square foot bungalow situated in Sanitar. So, nung nag-umpisa po ang ating church, it was just our late senior pastor, Pastor Anthony, and his then fiancée, Sister Gigi Velasco, together with 3 other people, they started the church. And kung mabasa niyo po dito, saan po nakapwesto ang ating church, ito po ay situated beside a big pen. Ginagamit po natin siya as classrooms for Caruso Christian Academy.
Experience nyo po yung pakinggan nyo po yung music natin. So, mga lossless files po yan na inilagay po natin. So, ready na po ba kayong ma-experience po yung so, pag mga piano classes po, hindi po pwede
Nakikilig kayo.
Hoy, iba yung pinunta nyo.
Sabi ni try yung ano eh.
Ayan, ang ating pong Chalcedony ay church ay pwedeng i-reserve online at magamit. Bakit po nandito yan, Sir, na Bible? Meron po tayong upcoming mission. Abe, can you share about our upcoming mission?
Yun po, sa darating pong May 3 po, meron po tayong job mission and
Nakakanood ng The Hub. The Home You Belong. Nila yung transportation ng mga pauwi na delegates from Moicon. So may makita kayong mga nagko-constraints, tinatawag nila yung mga drivers. Ano po, pasok po tayo sa kanila. Ayan no? Hello po! Ayan, pasok po. Sige po, pwede pumasok. Hello guys! Ito po ang ating command center team. Part po sila ng transportation team. Lagi na post yung mga vision casting, mga council meeting, mga content and it's the same thing. So makikita niyo po kung may gumagamit Hello! And there, especially for the leaders who go here sa 5th floor na the goal of the church is to share the gospel.
may pa-quiz. Hindi kayo nakinig, lagot kayo. Hindi ba makakawala?